Let's replace the battery on this iPod Nano 4th gen. To open it up, we first got to remove the top and bottom plastics. Then we can undo all the screws underneath, which will allow us to slide up the screen and remove the front glass. We can then carefully pry up the lock switch flex cable and disconnect the LCD before fully sliding out the top. The battery and logic board can be slid out the bottom, although we'll have to disconnect the buttons flex cable first. Now over to the soldering iron to remove the battery and install our brand new one. We can then put it back together the same way it came apart. Although some of these old iPod Nanos are quite fragile and difficult to repair, they don't have any serialized parts like on the newer iPhones, which makes the repair process much easier. I haven't repaired an iPhone in a number of years now, although I'm pretty sure a simple battery replacement will either require you to swap the BMS off the original battery, or use a dedicated programmer tool to get it to work as it did out of the box. Repairs were much more straightforward on these older devices when Apple wasn't going out of their way to make them as unrepairable as possible. This iPod's now back up and running and ready for a second life.